Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you're looking for a great multi-use trailer that you guys can camp, haul, work, play, get a lot of use out of, that's exactly what we specialize in here at Colorado Trailers. This is one of our 7x16 Colorado cargo trailers. It's set up with insulation, power, windows, AC, battery, exterior lights. Again, just an all-around great trailer. You guys can view all of our inventory always at getmytrailer.com. Send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. This one again is in a 7x16. Does have a 7-foot interior height, so it's going to work for most of those UTVs and side-by-sides out there. This one is in our silver blackout. It's got some shadows on it right now from the trees. I apologize, but as you guys can see, it's got the all black trim, black diamond plate in the silver color, stock number 15716. You do have the diamond plate rock guard on the V, as well as the extra tall diamond plate rock guard there. Extended triple tube tongue. They tow amazing because of the tongue setup, and that extra extension on the tongue gives you a better turning radius. This does have power. As you guys can see, it does have the twist lock plug right there. We'll talk about that again more in a second. Here's a better shot without all those shadows on it. 16 feet in total length, so you've got 16 feet from the tip of the V to the back of the ramp door, and again that 7-foot interior height. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you do have double lock protection there. Couple of party lights off the side. These are great LED party lights. You guys will have a lot of light to hang out with at night if needed. You do have two 3,500-pound axles, beautiful aluminum wheels, brakes on all fours. You do have an exterior GFI outlet right here as well next to that side door. That's awesome. We use it. We set up a table out and cook bacon and fry up and do the things we want to do outside of the trailer right there. Stabilizer jacks on the back, so you do have that extra stability right there when you want to drop this from your vehicle. Rear ramp door, of course, you can load and unload your toys, and then you also have a couple of LED load lights off the back so you can see what you're doing at night. We're going to go in the side door here. This unit is insulated, so you've got insulated walls and ceiling with a beautiful white aluminum liner. It's nice and bright, easy to take care of and keep clean. You can wipe it down easy as well. And then we do have 4 puck lights in here. So you got these guys here. There's 2 on each side of the trailer, and these puck lights, as well as the lights we just looked at outside, are all going to be ran off of this battery. So it does come with the battery box and a battery charger. And that again is going to run all that lighting for you, so you don't have to be plugged into your vehicle or a generator or some kind of power source to have light on the inside and outside of the trailer. Now we also have that 30 amp service. You guys saw that twist lock plug out front. So here's your breaker box for that. You guys will supply a generator. That generator is going to bring 110 power into the trailer. You can also plug into an extension cord or a campground, however you're going to do it. And that's going to power up your AC unit. So you do have a Dometic AC unit in here. It's also going to run these nice big 4-foot LED lights across the ceiling. You've got 2 of these guys in here as well with light switches here next to that side door. So plenty of light in this trailer if needed. Couple of windows. These are a tinted lockable window with a screen. It's an 18x44, so it's a pretty good size there. And then we also have the Maxx Air roof vent in the back. Doesn't have power, it just has that bubble cover over it so it won't leak water in on your stuff if you guys forget to close that down. 4 D-rings in the floor for tie down points, and then it also has our awesome performance Nudo floor with Drymax. Super durable, great floor to use. Has water resistant properties on the underneath side of the trailer with this Drymax Nudo product. And it's the same floor we use in our off-road trailers. Again, it's just set up to be good and durable. It's also on the ramp. Here's 2 more additional D-rings back here. 3-year factory warranty with this unit. Does weigh 2,000 pounds. It's going to give you about a 5,000 pound payload capacity. We ship if you guys aren't near us, so give us a call or shoot us an email. We can get you a shipping quote. You guys can ask for that right off the website. And you can also buy any of our trailers online as well. We like to make just buying your next trailer a simple, easy process. So again, go right to getmytrailer.com. Send us an email, sales@getmytrailer.com, or you can always try and reach us at 303-688-8485. And if you're watching us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.